Welcome to ClearIAS Recorded Video Classes, your comprehensive preparation solution for the UPSC Civil Services exam. With ClearIAS, you receive faster learning, personal mentorship, comprehensive study plans, and unmatched flexibility. All from the comfort of your home. Our recorded classes offer maximum flexibility. You can pause, replay, and adjust the speed of lectures to match your learning needs. Whether you prefer a faster pace or need more time to absorb concepts, you are in complete control. Enroll with ClearIAS and gain instant access to the entire syllabus. Our recorded classes cover the full spectrum of the UPSC journey, from the general studies portion of prelims, mains, to the interview stage, all available right from the start. ClearIAS offers personal mentorship, providing one-on-one guidance to help you navigate the complexities of the UPSC exam. Our experts conduct regular doubt clearance sessions to ensure you understand every topic thoroughly. Alongside this, you receive a meticulously crafted study plan tailored to optimize your preparation. Stay updated with the latest developments. Our course includes comprehensive coverage of current affairs, ensuring you remain well-informed on relevant topics. Additionally, you get high-quality study materials in PDF format, perfectly aligned with the UPSC syllabus. ClearIAS Recorded Video Classes, comprehensive coverage of general studies for prelims, mains, and interview, plus personal mentorship, current affairs, doubt clearance, study plans, and more, all at your convenience and at an affordable price. Begin your journey to UPSC success today with ClearIAS.